Hello my dear students, welcome back to our channel Deeksha Karnataka. I'm here today to give you some cheat codes, means direct insights in your PU2 papers. What can we expect and how can we at least safely score 40 to 50 marks? I understand many of you are still struggling and you find at places difficulty in mathematics, okay, and you still want to get a safe score 50 plus marks, 60 plus marks. So out of that 50, 60 marks, how can we safely score 40 plus guaranteed? Okay, so I'm telling you, if you stay with me till the end of this session, for sure you can score this marks very easily and very safely. So these are going to be very straightforward insights in the entire chapter, which section, what questions we can attempt, and actually it will make sense to all of you. If it does not make sense, if you think that this is something that is sir, very vague or not related to what we are doing for our preparation, let me know in the comment section. Okay, but I can guarantee you that if you follow this strategy, you can easily score 40 plus marks. So let's look at the cheat codes for PU2 maths. So first thing is, have a look for 6 marks. So I have taken here question wise understanding. This is not just something random, this is the question wise understanding. Okay, so if you check, so I have taken question wise. Check here, you have one question that you can attempt for sure from 6 marker, right or not? One question directly 6 marker that you can attempt LPP. But I keep reminding all of you, keep your integration also ready at the same time, because we know very well that if actually our LPP question comes difficult, if the LPP questions come difficult and we are not able to get the final answer, then if you don't have integration ready, you lose 6 marks. So keep the integration, definite integral property questions ready with you. And for LPP, practice some statement based question where the questions are not given directly the objective function or the equations are given in the word format. Okay, so 6 marker, one question is guaranteed over there. Question number 2 that I would want you to all attempt is 3 marks base theorem. These are guaranteed questions. How can I say that? Did I set your paper? No. If you look at PYQs, if you look at previous year papers, you'll find these questions present in all the papers. Even in the model papers, you'll find all these questions that I'm giving you today will be present for sure. Next, so 3 marker base theorem, one question will come for sure that you have to attempt. Number 3 will be 5 marks question on matrix method to solve linear equations. This method will also be there, and this is a very easy approach. It'll take some time to calculate it. You can find some time, and easy 5 marks you can get over there. Next, another 5 mark will be from application of integral. Over here, what all we can expect, sir? What all we can expect over here, sir, is very simple. Check. We can expect one question in the ellipse side, right, where we are supposed to find, remember, x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equals to 1 is there. We find the value of y as, I remember, b by a root of a square minus x square, and then we integrate this from 0 to a, then multiply with 4. Okay, remember that? So we get that as area. So I'm going to erase this right now, but I hope you're getting my point. Remember, so we used to solve it using this approach. Okay, but yeah, that one question will be there from the ellipse side. Now if you go, other categories of the questions over here will be either on the circles, means same, exact same approach, but from circles. And next question will be from where? Straight lines, where they ask you what? Where they ask you this question. So there's a straight line going like this, from this point -1 to 1. Remember, this question is also PYQ. What is the required area? So since this area is below the negative, below the x-axis, you have to take a modulus over here. Okay, for this area, whatever is the function, let's say the function is fx, and this point is -1 to, let's say, -0.5, then you have to integrate f of x -1 to -0.5 in the modulus. I'm putting you the insights over there. Straight line, that's one concept that can be asked, but it's a guaranteed 5 marks, and they're all easy questions, bacha. They're all easy questions. Next, what else can be there? So they can sometime ask you sin x and cos x function also involved. Don't worry, in my sessions I'm going to cover up all the categories, but yeah, these are the different categories of questions that can be asked in application of integrals, and you have to get the 5 marks over there. Sometimes they also ask the combination of straight line with parabola, but rare. And again, if you ask me chances of all these, so this is more than 75% chance ellipse will come, and other chances are 25%. highly likely they ask questions of ellipse only, but even these can be asked, so I'm going to teach you all in my classes, don't worry about it. But the insight is 5 mark you have to attempt from the application of integral. Next, question number 5 that you're going to take is second order derivative. This will be their question. You'll get a function. You have to either prove or get a result or find the second derivative of a given function. That will be another 5 marker. And another question which is going to be attempted from your side will be either if they give you relation or function, 5 marker means find the inverse of a given function, or matrix application question will be there, which is what a 5 marker which is from your matrix, either associative law of matrix addition or distributive law of matrix multiplication over addition. So either of those will be given you to prove. You can attempt in the 5 markers. Okay, I know you can attempt only 4 questions in 5 markers, but you can choose to do either of them. Next set of questions, which will be question number 7 that you're going to attempt, will be 3 marker from logarithmic differentiation. This will be there, beta. You'll have the function of the form what? You know the function of the form f by g or f into g or f upon g. When either of these forms are present, your job is to apply log on both sides and then differentiate and later simplify all of that. Makes sense, guys? Yes. In 4 marker, check your question number 8 that you are solving. Definition of continuity, 1 4 mark question will be guaranteed. If you want the other part of this, you can also choose which is the determinant question. Okay. Question number 9, a 3 mark question from partial fractions. This is an integration question. Remember, this is an integration question. Usually we expect this form only, x upon x plus 1 means this particular form we expect, where we have 2 denominators, means 2 fractions in denominator, but they can ask you 3 factor form also, and I have done it for all of you. I have done this part, beta. Okay, I have done this for all of you. You should be able to solve all these questions. Moving on, question number 10 now. 9 is done. Question number 10. 3 mark question, derivation of the vector or 3D, right? So you have one question in vector section formula, derivation is there, line in space, in vector and scalar form, both are there. So these derivations can be asked. You have to attempt a 3 marker over there. And question number 11, I would ask you to attempt 2 mark question from determinant area of triangle. So this, if you add, gives you 44 marks straight away. So I've given you total 11 questions that you can attempt to get 44 marks straight away. This is a cheat code. This question is guaranteed will come in examination. Different values, different numbers, but will this question come or not? Yes, sir. Maybe one question is skipped here and there, but 40 plus is guaranteed if you follow these 11 questions in your PU2 Maths examination. Okay, so prepare these must. Again, MCQ strategies and all of that I've given you already, but this is a must. Prepare 11 questions for your PU2 boards. And if you ask me some bonuses, here it is. 3 marker transpose of a matrix can also be asked. 3 marker AOD you can expect in all the 3 categories, whether increasing, decreasing function, maxima, minima, or and rate of change. There will be a 2 marker ITF question, either simplifying the expression of based upon trigonometric identities or solve for x. 2 marker collinear vector also will be there on the formula, missing variable or missing values, prove it collinear, vector A equals to vector lambda times b. 2 is independent events question on probability. So these are some bonuses apart from 44 marks, but if you follow just these 11 questions, you get 44 easy marks, and this will come for sure. Chances of them not coming in the examination is like, maybe 1% or 2%. Okay, if the board wants to trouble you a lot, if you look at the previous year papers, model papers, the trend continues of these 11 questions. So this was my cheat code to help you out to prepare in the best way for your boards. Again, I have given you strategies to score out of out also. I hope you score out of out, but at least say 45 plus marks, 40 plus marks can be guaranteed if you follow these 11 questions. Okay, so all the best. Thank you for listening to me in this particular class. We'll have more sessions for all of you. To know more about that, you have to subscribe to the channel and keep the notification bell always on, otherwise you'll miss the classes. Okay, and share this session with your friends, they might also benefit from it. Subscribe to our channel, join the WhatsApp community to get all the schedule, all the PDF of all the classes. All the best. I'll see you in the next class. Take care, keep working hard, keep smiling. Any doubt you have, ask me. All the best. See you in the next class. Bye bye.